Yes, okay. Welcome back to another crazy video, another crazy story that I saw on my channel, that I saw on my page, YouTube channel, YouTube podcast. And I want to say it right now. I want to speak about it right now. Okay. I heard that when it comes to the best jobs in Bulawayo, best jobs in Matabele province, when it comes to best employment opportunities, best jobs in Matabele region, Matabele province, they're only for Shona people, or they are given to Shona people. They are offered to Shona people first before Ndebele people, before Ndebele people. I'm like, what? What are you telling me? So these were some of the uh, issues that I saw on some of the comments on my videos that are in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town, in Matabele province, in Matabele region, when it comes to jobs, when it comes to employment opportunities, even business opportunities, these things to do with life, to do with opportunities, to do with finances, to do with better life opportunities for people. They are first offered to Shona people who are living in Bulawayo or living in any part of Matabeleland. I was so surprised to the core. I was so shocked to the core. I was so flabbergasted down to the core. I'm like, what? What are you telling me? This person who's writing this comment, this person who's typing this kind of a comment, what is he or she trying to say? What is he or she trying to imply? Right. So I want to ask you, is this true or it's not true about the issue of best jobs, premium jobs, or the best opportunities when it comes to business, when it comes to entrepreneurship, the best opportunities, business opportunities that are first given to Shona people before Ndebele people. Ndebele people are being looked at last, or they're being offered these things, given these things at last. And the first priority, the preference, is falling on the Shona people, is given to the Shona people. What do you say about this kind of a comment that I was seeing in many of my videos that I did about Bulawayo or about Ndebele people or about things in Matabeleland, about things in Matabeleland province? What do you have to say? You are listening to me. You are hearing me talk about this thing, about the issues happening in Bulawayo, Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town, about the issues happening in Matabeleland region, Matabeleland province. What do you have to say when it comes to jobs, when it comes to employment opportunities, when it comes to business opportunities or entrepreneurial opportunities that are the first consideration? It falls on the Shona people, or the first preference, it falls on the Shona people, priorities given to the Shona people on all these things. Employment opportunities, the best of them, business opportunities, entrepreneurial opportunities, the best of them, they are given, offered to Shona people before considering or before looking at the Ndebele people in Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city, under Matabeleland province. Yo, what do you have to say about that? To me, it sounds so weird, so strange. I'm like, yo, is this Zimbabwe? Is this the same Zimbabwe? Is this the same country, the same nation that I'm also living in? Of course, I don't live in Bulawayo. Of course, I don't live under Matabeleland province. I live in Mashonaland full time. I'm based, or I'm domiciled. I'm staying in Mashonaland. But these are the things that I heard on my comments on YouTube channel, on my YouTube podcast, YouTube page. And I just decided to do a video based on those comments. So this video has been born out of those comments, has been birthed out of those comments. Please, what do you have to say about this comment? Yo, what do you have to say? What is your take? What is your submission? What is your postulation? What is your view? What is your opinion? What do you think? You're listening to me narrate, speak, explain, describe this story, crazy information, or crazy whatever reality happening or taking place in Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region, and in Bulawayo, Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. This is what the people are saying through the comments that I saw. And I was reading, perusing, browsing, checking everything. I said, no, 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 no. Let me do a video based on this, born from that comment. And here I am right now talking to you, dissecting that comment. What do you have to say about opportunities, best jobs, best business opportunities, best employment opportunities, best entrepreneurial opportunities being offered first to Shona people before looking at Ndebele people, before considering or before accounting Ndebele people in that equation? They say, Shona people are the first ones to be looked at, to be offered, to be given, to be considered, to be accounted for before coming to Ndebele people. Ndebele people. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? How do you address this reality? How do you respond? How do you answer me on this situation, on this story? Write, type in the comments box, comment section. Let's talk further. Let's discuss further on this issue. I know it's hot. I know it's so controversial. Yes, I know. I know. But it's fine. It's all good. It's all well. Peace out. Sharp.